Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I will show you how to fix the problem when your game not visible on your Google Play Store on your OnePlus 12R. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and press on our photo on the right corner. There, Settings, Family and Parental Control. Now we have page 3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games or Call of Duty or something like this, we need more than page 3. To change it, we must press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. And after that, we press on page 16 maybe. Confirm I got it. And save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. See you soon. Bye.